Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable teacher, dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ruhul Amin before you. I'm really privileged to introduce myself in a place like this. Today, I'm going to present Hamming codes for detecting and correcting communication bits error. So we present as a team. First of all, Ruhul Amin, myself, Saidur Rahman, Nasib Azam, Ariful Islam, and Tarun Datta. So the outline we'll discuss in this presentation. So basic introductory of Hamming code, error detection, how to detect error, binary codes, communication errors, how the Hamming codes works, advantages, disadvantages, and applications. So let me start with what is Hamming codes is. So in the world of communications, keeping data safe is crucial. Mistake can be mess up any messages. Making is important to fix the error. So Hamming codes is a set of error correction codes that can be used to detect error and correct it. It can be occur when the data is sender to receiver side. So this is the basic overview of error detection and correction. So what is the error detection? Error detection is the error caused by the noise or other impairments during the transmission from sender to receiver. There will be two sides where sender and receiver, and error happened to the sending transmission time. What is the error correction? Error correction is the detecting of the error and reconstruct the original and error free the data. Now I would like to request Saidur Rahman to present his slide.
Thank you, Ruhul Amin. I am Saidur Rahman. Now I present a binary code. Binary code. Computer use binary 0 and 1 to store and transmit data. Error can occur during the transmission due to noise or interference. It acts in a computer like on-off switch. 0 stands for off, and while 1 is no. Everything a computer does, like showing text, image, video, is represented using combination of 0 and 1. Please go to the next slide. Now I'll discuss the communication error. What is communication error? Communication error is data communication to any disturbance or inaccuracy that occurs during the transmission of data between two or more devices or systems. This error can be occurred by various factors like noise, interface, crosstalk, etc. For example, in this picture, we see sender data send 10111011, but receiver and data receive 1001011. Here error occurs in the third bit. It is replaced by noise. So actual data are not sent in the receiver point. So error detection and correction is important for data, maintain the data integrity, which discussed in the previous slide by Ruhul Amin. Thanks all. Next, I will invite the Nasib Azam to continue the slide.
Thank you, Saidur Rahman. Let's continue our presentation with the topic of Hamming code overview. Hamming codes are used in computer and communication system. It detects and fixes errors by the mechanism of adding extra bits to the main data bit. Let's talk about Hamming code, how Hamming codes are actually works. Let's consider the data with the length of 10. We can set the parity bit by using 2 to the power n index position. When the n is equal to 1, the first parity bit will lies in the first position. And when the n is equal to 1, the second parity bit lies in the second position, and so on. Assign the data bits into the remaining position where parity bits and data bits are not conflicted. In this slide, now we have the mode data bit with the combination of parity bit and data bit, and they are not conflicted to each other. By default, parity bits are assigned to 0, that means errorless. When error occurs, the parity bits change to 1. For P1, take 1 data bit and discard one data bit. For P2, take 2 data bit and discard 2 data bit. For P4, we take 4 data bits and discard 4 data bits, and so on. By the selecting data bits according to its parity bit, we have for P1 we have those data bits, for P2 we have those data bits, and so on. If data bits D12 getting error, then we assign its parity bit to 1. D12 lies under P4 and P8, that's why P4 and P8 equal to 1. By the reverse sequence, we have binary bits and convert the binary bits into decimal and find the index number where the error actually occurs. In this case, the error occurs in the 12th position. Now I want to invite Ariful Islam to continue our presentation.
Thank you, Nasif Azum, for giving me a chance. Honorable teacher and my dear audience, at first take my salam, assalamu alaikum. I am Arif Islam. Now I continue in our presentation. Today my presentation topic is advantage of Hamming code and disadvantage of Hamming code. First one, describe of advantage of Hamming code. Error detection. Error detection means Hamming code can spot when error occur in data during transmission or storage. Then error correction. It is on not only detect error but can also fix a small mistake automatically, ensuring accurate data. Then efficiency. They are good at correcting single bit error, which are common in many communication systems. Reliability. Hamming code make communication more reliable by minimizing the chances of incorrect data. Real-time correction. It is work quickly, spotting and fixing error almost as soon as they happen. Next slide, please. Disadvantage of Hamming code. Limited error detection. Hamming code can detect and correct only a specific number of errors. Redundancy increases. Hamming code add extra bit to the data, which increases the overall size of the transmitted data. Then fixed code length. Hamming code designed to work with a specific number of data bits. Then limited error correction. They can correct only single bit error. Multiple error might be detected but cannot always be fixed. Not scalable, as the number of bits to be transmitted increases, the efficiency of Hamming code decreases. It's not scalable of handling large amount of data efficiently. Thank you all. Now I invite Torun Dotto. Please continue our presentation.
Thank you, Ariful Islam. This is Torun Dotto. Now I would like to continue our presentation. I will discuss about the application of Hamming code. So first, I discuss about telecommunication. So telecommunication used in phone system, internet connection, and satellite communication to make sure data reaches its destination accurately. Computer memory. Computer memory helps store and retrieve information without error, ensuring that the data remains intact. Disk storage. Hamming code are used in storage devices like hard disks to protect data from corruption due to magnetic interference or other degradation. Error correction in storage device. Used in hard drive, flash drive, and other storage device to safeguard data from getting corrupted or lost. Digital transmission. Hamming code are actually ensure accurate transmission of data in digital TV, radio, and other broadcast system. Next slide, please. Conclusion. Hamming code are like a superhero for data. They swoop in to save the day by spotting and fixing error when information is sent or stored. With their special extra bit, they are like detective, finding where mistake happen and making sure everything arrives or gets saved just right. Their superpower lies in ensuring our data stay accurate and reliable in the worldwide communication. So in this presentation, we have discussed about error detection and correction. After that, we discuss about binary code detect, communication error. Then we discuss about how Hamming codes are work.
Thank you very
Different
much.
types of
Thank you very much. Your time limit already exceeded. Thank you.